Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to transfer money from Comerica Bank to an external bank account. If you don't have a Comerica Bank account, we will put our referral link in the description below for you to register and get a $50 MasterCard reward card. But if you already have an account, just open the website, then click Login. Now, log in with your user ID and password. Once you're logged in, you will see several tabs at the upper part of the screen. Click on the tab that says Transfers. Then here, you will see a tab that says Send Money with Zelle. Click on Send Money with Zelle. Under Send Money with Zelle, you will see an option for Settings. Click on Settings. Now, scroll down until you see a section for Recipients. Then you will see the list of your Zelle recipients. Click on the recipient you wish to remove. At the bottom of this page, you will see an option for Remove Contact. Click on Remove Contact. Then a pop-up message will appear asking if you're sure you want to remove this contact. To proceed, click on Remove Contact. That's how you remove a Zelle recipient from Comerica Bank. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.